Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start by preparing your iPhone for CarPlay troubleshooting. Confirm your iPhone runs iOS 16 or newer before attempting any fixes. Use a certified Lightning cable about 1 meter long to connect to the Honda USB port. Avoid long or damaged cables because they cause intermittent signals. Open Settings, then General, then CarPlay and enable CarPlay when locked so the phone can respond while locked. If prompted, allow CarPlay for your Civic and trust this car on your iPhone. Next, check the Honda infotainment system and USB ports. Use the front USB port in the center console for CarPlay, not the rear charging port. Inspect the port for debris and gently clean it with compressed air if necessary. Perform a soft reset by holding the infotainment power button for 10 seconds to reboot the system. After rebooting, check System, Settings, and update the infotainment firmware if a new version is available for improved CarPlay compatibility. For final steps, try configuration changes and advanced fixes. Disable Bluetooth on the phone to force a wired CarPlay connection when needed. On the iPhone, forget the Honda in Bluetooth and CarPlay settings, then reconnect using the cable and trust the car. If problems persist, back up your phone and test CarPlay with another iPhone to isolate the issue. As a last resort, request a dealer firmware reflash or wiring inspection at your Honda service center for persistent hardware or software faults.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.